Here we are, fishing Lake San Souci, 2023. Haven't caught a fish this year. It's freezing cold, but this part right here is melted off, so I just cast in here. We got a full moon going, and it's sunrise. There it is. Beautiful little lake here. Look at that. Looks like a postcard. But I've caught a lot of fish out of here before when it wasn't freezing cold. But we'll see. There's some nice trout in here and some bass. But that's it. Northern Idaho. Lake San Souci. Sunrise on a full moon. Well, still fishing. I haven't caught anything. But I found a cool spot here. I switched spots. There's a whirlpool right there. See that dot right there? It's all ice. There's a whirlpool going right there, and it's sucking the water out of this side of the lake and putting it to the other side. So I cast my line right in there, and I think there's some big old fish in there, some nice trout. I don't know. Well, I'm giving it a shot here. Didn't have any luck on that side. But it's a nice day today. It's supposed to get up to 34 degrees today. I got my boot spikes on, ready to catch some fish for 2023.